The purpose of this video is to show you the startup, bypass and trimming mode, and the shutdown of the coal shiploaders. Also the process of unplugging the shiploader. We will be using the east shiploader for this video. If starting into a new hatch, the foreman will tell you a hatch number and a tonnage number. Always repeat the numbers back to the foreman. Reset and zero the shipping scale if required. Select the mode you wish to load in, bypass or trim. You must hold the button until you have a solid green light. You must always close your pant leg gate, run your conveyors dry, then stop your system to change from bypass to trim or trim to bypass. Use your boom, shuttle, and slew to safely enter the hatch. Once the shiploader is in the hatch, call your foreman and tell him you are starting up in hatch 2, or whatever number the hatch may be. Then push the system start button. Once conveyors 44 and 42 are running, you may open your pant leg gate. Press and hold the pant leg gate open button till the light is solid green. Next, one of the two shiploaders must take control of the feeders. If the west loader is already running and has control, the east loader would only have control of the number 1 feeder. Just dial the feeder to 0 and back up to 100% unless you are on trim. If the west shiploader was not running, the east loader would just take control of the feeders by pushing the feeder control button. Then dial down feeders 1, 2, and 3 to 0 and then back up to 100%. Once the west loader was up and running, he or she will open their pant leg gate and start the number 4 feeder, usually to 100% unless on trim. To get maximum tons per hour flow out of the surge tank, all 4 feeders must be at 100% and the center gate open. Do not open the center gate till the surge tank has at least 200 to 300 tons of coal in it. Monitor this on the RSView super page. Whatever shiploader that has control would then open the center gate by holding the switch till you get a solid green light. When you open the center gate, all 4 feeders will turn off and flash for approximately 1 minute. Once they've stopped flashing, restart all 4 feeders for maximum tons per hour. Remember, anytime that you restart a feeder, you must zero the speed pot, then turn it up to the desired setting. If for any reason the surge tank runs dry while loading, the center gate must be closed to avoid surges and spills. Once again, when there's 200 to 300 tons of cargo in the tank, the center gate may be opened again. The coal shiploaders have a maximum of approximately 2,500 tons per hour in bypass mode and 1,500 tons per hour in trim mode. When only one shiploader is being used, either shiploader can be given control of all 4 feeders. The operator must watch tons per hour meter carefully not to run too high and plug up the shiploader in this situation. When the tons required for the hatch is getting close, the operator should stand up and prepare to close the center gate. With approximately 8 to 10 tons to go, when loading at 2,500 tons per hour, hold the pant leg gate button until it is a solid red. Hold it till solid red. If running lighter, as when you're on trim at 1,500 tons per hour, you would close your pant leg gate with approximately 5 tons to go. When one shiploader closes the pant leg gate, the other shiploader operator must take control and restart the feeders and carry on loading. When either shiploader closes the pant leg gate, you will hear an alarm squeal warning you. Remember, when changing hatches, always run your conveyors dry, stop your system, and reset your scale. Not all plug-ups are avoidable, but by keeping an eye on your strain gauge and washing the spout out before it plugs, some are. When the number on the RSView gets well above 3,000, you may want to wash the shiploader spout and trimmer out. Also, when changing hatches, it is a good time to look at your trimmer and wash it out if necessary. Most plug-ups start from the trimmer flop gate. On the back wall panel, start with the flop gate washdown cycle. Each cycle is timed for a few minutes. Give the flop gate spray a couple of cycles. Look out the window and see if it's clearing. If so, then give the spout spray a cycle, then the head box. Once unplugged, it's a good idea to go outside and look in the head box to make sure that it is also clear. If so, open your pant leg gate and continue loading. There are occasions when the shiploader cannot be unplugged just by using the water sprays and must be brought to the dock. Laborers will wash it once it gets to the dock. If the shiploader must come out of the hatch after a plug-up, be sure that the conveyor belts have been run dry first. When there is cargo on the conveyors and they are not running, never shuttle in. Damage will occur to the shiploaders. When the shiploader enters a new hatch at a very high tide, be sure the boom high light is not on. You must boom down till the light goes off if possible, or the conveyors will not start. Also in this situation, be sure that the boom of the shiploaders never comes down on the hatch covers. The high wind alarm will go off at a wind speed of 35 miles per hour. If it does go off, inform your foreman, then close your pant leg gate. Once the conveyors run dry, stop the system and report to the foreman on the ground. Never slew the shiploader under high winds. Never.